Hello students. Today we will discuss about health education and community pharmacy. This is subject is first year in the pharmacy, and let's we discuss about demography and population. डेमोग्राफी का क्या मतलब है? डेमोग्राफी का डेफिनेशन क्या है? डेमोग्राफी को हम स्टडी करते हैं ऑफ ह्यूमन पॉपुलेशन. Definition is called as demography is the scientific study of human population. It is mainly concerned with first point is changes in population of size, distribution of population. These phenomena are related to fertility, mortality, marriage, migration, and social mobility, commonly known as demographic process. फर्टिलिटी मतलब कितने बर्थ हो रहे हैं, मोर्टेलिटी कितने डेथ रेट हैं, मैरिजेस कितनी हो रही हैं, एंड माइग्रेशन एंड सोशल मोबिलिटी, ये हमारे उन पे डिपेंड करता है डेमोग्राफी भी. ठीक है, लेट्स जैसे हम इसको लिख सकते हैं, डेमोग्राफी इज़ द डील्स विद स्टडी ऑफ साइंटिफिक स्टडी ऑफ ह्यूमन पॉपुलेशन. ठीक है, आगे है हमारा डेमोग्राफी का जो साइकिल है वो 5 स्टेप्स में होता है. इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज इट कंप्राइजेज ऑफ फॉलोइंग 5 स्टेजेस. फर्स्ट स्टेज इट्स अ हाई स्टेशनरी स्टेज. द फीचर ऑफ दिस फेज इज बोथ ऑफ morbidity, birth rate, mortality, death rate are very high. Both cancel each other, keeping population steady. India was in this phase till 1920. Understood. And next will second stage is now early expanding stage. It is early expanding stage. Here is mortality starting falling down, but birth rate remain same and higher as a result of population starts increasing. At present of African and South at present of African and South Asian countries are in this phase. And next will is third stage is it is a late expanding stage. Here mortality continue to fall, but birth rate also started decreasing, but yet birth rate remain higher than death rate. So population continues to increase. China, India, Singapore are at this stages. And let's we go now fourth stages. It's called as a low stationary stage, and it is also called as a zero growth stage, as a birth year rate equal death rate and both are lowered, so net population growth is zero. Many developed countries have reached these stages in last 20 years. Understood. Next we will go now fifth stage. It's a negative growth stage, and also called as death rate is higher than a birth rate. So there is a decline in population size. Reason behind are advancement in medical science and facing problem of population increases. Germany and Hungary are presently at these stages. Understood. Germany and Hungary are presently at these stages. This is our हमारे 5 डेमोग्राफिक साइकिल हैं. फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, एंड आल्सो known as other name of negative growth stage, low stationary stage, and high stationary stage, early expanding stages, and late expanding stages. And factor affecting of fertility, जो फर्टिलिटी है उसके फैक्टर्स क्या हैं. इसके डेफिनेशन है फर्टिलिटी मीन्स द एबिलिटी to produce offsprings or children. हमारा जो फर्टिलिटी का मतलब है वो हमारे जो ऑफस्प्रिंग प्रोड्यूस करने का होता है, जब बच्चे पैदा करने का होता है, हम उनको फर्टिलिटी बोलते हैं. And factor affecting of fertility, first point is at a marriage. The fertility data on national scale reveal that female who marry before the age of 18 give a birth to larger number of children than those who married later. Understood? Early marriage is a common and long established custom in India. And next one is duration of married life. Duration of married life. It has been observed that 10 to 25% of births occur within 1 and 5 years of married life, 50 to 55% at all birth within 5 to 15 years of married life. But after 25 years of married life, it's very low. This data suggests that family planning efforts should be concentrated in the first few years of married life. And next stages is also known as spacing of children. Postponement of birth or spacing of children significantly decline the fertility rate. Understood? बिल्कुल ही आसान भाषा से हमने इसको निकाला है, आप लोग बिल्कुल ही आसान भाषा से अंडरस्टूड कर सकते हो. ठीक है. एंड नेक्स्ट फोर्थ पॉइंट इज एजुकेशन. एंड literacy helps to decline the fertility rate. It has been observed the total fertility rate is more among illiterate than among the literate. For now, next we economic status. There is a reverse relationship between economic status and fertility rate. More the per capita income of the family, less is the birth rate. The World Population Conference in fact stressed that economic development is the best contraceptive. Understood? And next we will read now religion and caste. Muslims have higher fertility rate than Hindus. हमारे इंडिया में मुस्लिम्स लोग ज़्यादा बच्चे पैदा करते हैं, ज़्यादा मैरिजेस करते हैं देन हिंदूज़. एंड हिंदूज़ हैव अ हायर फर्टिलिटी रेट देन क्रिश्चियन. हिंदू क्रिश्चियन से ज़्यादा है उनकी. एंड अमंगस्ट हिंदूज़ लोअर कास्ट seems to have a higher fertility rate than higher castes. Nutrition. Seventh point is nutrition. The economic status and nutrition are directly related to each other, but there is indirect effect of nutrition on fertility rate. All well-fed societies have a low fertility and poorly fed societies high fertility rate. Next 8 point is known as family planning. It is an important factor which can lower a fertility. It is the best important and फैक्टर है हमारा जो फैमिली प्लानिंग. हमको कितने बच्चे चाहिए, एक दो के बाद हमने बंद कर देनी है फर्टिलिटी. तो ये बेस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्टर है हमारे लिए फर्टिलिटी को कम करने के लिए. अदर फैक्टर में हम क्या आ जाता है, कल्चरल एंड सोशल फैक्टर लाइक पोजीशन ऑफ वुमेन इन सोसाइटी, वैल्यू ऑफ चिल्ड्रन, कस्टम एंड विडो रीमैरेजेस एंड इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन. Next topic is will begin is population problem of India. India has only 2.4% of total land area of the world and possesses more than 16% of total world population. Present population of India is about 1 to 24.5 crores. The population growth causes following consequences on the society. Biological consequence is called as young population is growing tremendously. This causes a great pressure on pediatric care, education and health and other such facilities. Economic consequences population adversely affect that rate of per capita income. Majority of India is a total population lives below poverty line. Poverty is one of the important causative factor in the epidemiology of diseases. And next we'll know is social consequences, that is known as more population means less job opportunities, educate education facilities, increase illiteracy, inadequate and poor housing facilities, overcrowding which can lead to deterioration in law and order situation. Health consequence is the next point is malnutrition, indicate and medical facilities can causes higher death rates in infants and children. There can be a high maternal deaths. Increased population leads to increase the industrialization, which final causes population problem. अंडरस्टूड होपफुली आप लोगों को बिल्कुल ही समझ में आ रहा होगा आसान भाषा में. अगर कुछ भी समझ ना आए तो देन आस्क टू मी. हमारा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज़ बिगिन नाउ फैमिली प्लानिंग एंड मेथड ऑफ फैमिली प्लानिंग. फैमिली प्लानिंग इज़ नो आल्सो कॉल्ड एज मीन्स प्लान and limit the size of the family in accordance with the social, economic and health conditions, so it's ensure that family is happy both physically and mentally. फैमिली प्लानिंग हमारा जो अहम रोल है, इसमें हम लोगों को जितनी हमारी फैमिली प्लानिंग कम होगी हम फिजिकली और मेंटली जो हैप्पी रहेंगे. ठीक है, हमको कोई दिक्कत नहीं आएगी. ठीक है. फैमिली प्लानिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू WHO, it is also called as define way to living and thinking that is adopt voluntarily open the basis of knowledge, attitude, responsible decision by individual and couple in order to promote the health welfare of the family and thus contribute effectively to the social development of country. Methods of family planning or methods of birth control. Contraceptive methods are broadly classified into temporary methods and परमानेंट मेथड. कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव जो मेथड्स हैं हमारे आगे टेम्परेरी मेथड होगा, एक परमानेंट मेथड्स हैं. ये हमारे मेथड्स हैं जो पॉपुलेशन को कंट्रोल करने में हेल्पफुल होते हैं जो फैमिली प्लानिंग में. आगे है हमारा फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज़ आल्सो नोन एज मेथड ऑफ फैमिली प्लानिंग. फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज़ टेम्परेरी मेथड and let's we start now. First is natural method, sexually abstinence method, coitus interrupts withdrawal method also known as, and next name is withdrawal method, and next C point is safe period method, and also called known as rhythm method, and next one is D point is basal body temperature method, and next one is cervical mucus method, prolonged lactation method, and next G point also known as vaginal washing method. Understood. And next, go to second point in spacing method. First point is a barrier contraceptive and also known as mechanical method. First point is condom, diaphragm, and intrauterine devices. And next one is B point is chemical method, and chemical method is first form is foam tablet, contraceptive cream, and jellies, soluble tablet, and also known as pessaries. And fourth point is oral contraceptives and also known as oral pills. And next, going to 1b plus permanent method. It's also known as terminal methods. And next one is first point A is male sterilization and also known as viscotomy. And and next one is B method is female sterilization and also known as tubectomy. And C point known as laparoscopy. And next one is point D MTP. MTP is full form of medical termination of pregnancy. Understood? First point is known as temporary method. First point is natural method. First point is natural method. It is used when couple is not willing to use any other artificial method, either due to medical reason or due to religious or personal belief. And natural methods are very effective. Couple understood how to use these method, and these are includes first point is known as sexual abstinence method. This means complete stoppage of sexual contacts. This is a tough it's effective method, but it is not a practically practicable for all married couple, so not applicable to masses. Next one is point is B coitus interruptus and also known as withdrawal method. It is the oldest method practiced by man. In this method, penis is withdrawn from vagina just before ejaculation so that the semen is discharged outside the vagina. At present, this method is quite popular and large number of people throughout the world are using this method. Understood? And this is advantage also known as first is no artificial device is required for its use, and second one is no cost is involved, and third one is these methods can be used at any time and at any place. Disadvantages क्या है? First point, it may causes disturbance in sexual pleasure in either or men or women or both. It may causes psychological disturbance. Failure rate is high. Slight is mistake may deposit sperm in vagina. Understood? Next one point is rhythm method. Next C point is known as rhythm method, and it is also called as safe period. This method is based on the fact that a woman normally produces one egg cell every month, which is shed during the fertile, which is roughly 10 to 20th day after the onset of menstrual period. If sexual intercourse is avoided during this unsafe period or the days when there is possibility of meeting the female egg with the male sperm with pregnancy then can be avoided. During these unsafe days, pregnancy can be avoided if the male sperm is not allowed to enter the vagina by using condom. And next is point is the egg cell is matured at about the middle of her monthly cycle and usually 12 to 16 days before the onset of the next period and can live for almost 2 days. The male sperm can remain alive in the female body at least 3 to 5 days. On the basis of above injunction of this period, then fertile period considered as a safe period for the conception point of view. Understood. And next will is known as advantages. First advantages is no device are required for its uses, no prior medical examination is necessary, no chances of sexual displeasure. Understood. And next will is disadvantages. First point is it reduce the number of days of sex. It is unsuitable for women irregular period. Even if safe period is woman may become pregnant. The require of self-control or cooperation in couple. Chances error in recording menstrual history. This can be used only educated and responsible couples. Understood. We and I will hopefully that you can understand properly and then go to read and learn. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोगों ने यहाँ तक के इसको याद करना है। डेफिनेशन, पॉपुलेशन, फर्टिलिटी, मोटिलिटी, ठीक है, फैक्टर अफेक्टिंग आप लोगों को याद करना है। अगर कोई क्वेश्चन है आपका देन आस्क टू मी एंड गुड डे।